Hello. We're here. Live. And we're gonna do some art tonight. I think what I could do is I should just work on the ores, because I could knock out like 3 things immediately, and then I can move on to ingots. Let's just load in real quick though. Yeah, this is the game so far. Still need to redo a lot of items, but we're getting there. I need to mute the music. I had that on. 5. So what I'm just gonna do for ore is I'm gonna do something really lazy. Going to find the... There we go. Resize to 64 by 64. Take these. Make them maybe a little bit more solid. Rotate it by like 3 degrees. Or, that's 270 actually, but whatever. I don't like where that's located. We're gonna move that there. Take this. Do that. It's a bit better now, but still iffy. Try a bit more solidification. Making it just a bit more solid. That's probably the resolution is going to be seen at anyways, so I don't see an issue with it. I'll try that. Okay, yeah, you can see that quite well, actually. Actually, some iron should be done before graphite. Okay. So that's the ores. Basically done already. Wish I would have just done that from the start. Well, Let's go back. Let's see. Could I turn this into maybe more of a copper rock? Instead of being so lazy about it. I say this should turn into that. I don't like that color. Let's try another one. Maybe that. Will it work? It's still too light. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, wait. Not a fan. around it. There. Sure, we'll try this. Like a bit extra yellow. It looks kind of green, actually. Hold on. Oh, sure. And then iron, you know, it's pretty bright. Alright, I'll try that. I think that fits better with what I was going for before. So that's like 4 items done. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 items done in one fell swoop like that. And we can get 5 items done, I think. Yeah, 5 items done in one swoop. Yeah. We're just not going off of base this time, so it might take a bit longer. But we'll manage. Eventually this is just gonna be a brick. Or it's gonna look like one anyways. This just looks like a dirt brick. We're gonna try making that again. Let me look at get. Let's see. Okay, so quite regularly ingots have trapezoid. This is a square. Maybe that's why it looks awkward. Let's try as a trapezoid. How did I do it before? Just kinda add it there. There's like a bit of... I might try this, because... or just something like that. Really, I'm struggling with drawing that, so... If I just draw the rectangle on top, since that's what I seem to have been struggling with. Yo, welcome Aspole. Aspole. How's it going? It's going good. I figured out a way to make 4 assets in like one go. By just reusing the same sprite but with different colors. And we're gonna try and do the same thing with ingots here. Very smart, yeah, it did make me feel very smart. We're gonna try and see how this goes here. Gonna center it. Don't know if this ingot will work very well, but we'll see. So we're just gonna color it very bland right now. Maybe I have the color palette wrong, but I don't care. I think this works. There's like 1 or 2 black pixels mixing on the inside of the outline on the right side, but oh. Yeah, that makes it look better. Thank you. Actually, I see a pattern. I'm just gonna draw this in, just tell that it's just gonna boop and boop. I've been trying to get back into programming, but not gonna lie, I don't have anything to work on. What languages do you use? I don't really have a main. I just drift between whatever I find interesting at that moment. Yeah, I've done that. This is probably as close to the preview as I'm gonna get, and I don't think it looks terrible. I kind of fuck with it. Dithering is very clear. I agree. I've been using it very extensively. And I've seen that it pretty much makes any art piece that I make better. I'm gonna try just oop. Yeah, I'm just changing these to yellow. That's green. There we go. That looks tin ingoty enough, I guess. That's ingot and ingot there. Still need to do iron, graphite, and bronze. I'm gonna do bronze. Actually, no, I'm doing iron. Screw it. I'd imagine game dev with git commands is very convenient. I would too. When I tried to use Git for a project, it kept being fidgety, so I just quit using Git and I just started using the desktop app, which I don't recommend people doing, but if you want to try it, I guess you could, but not very recommended. I mean, fair. Yeah, I got really annoyed with it though. Bronze. And then what we got to do is graphite, which is black, basically. So, yeah. Don't think it's gonna be too difficult here. Actually, let me just go back to white. And then I can just make this even lower. Make this even lower. Not dark enough. So let's try that. Sure, we'll go with that. Use a color darker version for outlines. I've already done black outlines. I want to keep it consistent. I just made a new GitHub account, LMAO, because my old one was connected to an email I don't have access to. I used to do that a lot, and now I don't have access to email, so... Ew, I really did just use LMAO twice in the same comment. So many stuff in your game? Yeah. Good luck, have fun. Thank you. Sorry, I'm a bit late. I've been reading books. Nah, you're good. Don't sweat it. Shit. There we go. Actually, we're gonna put a $sign on it. I was gonna put money across it. Actually, you know what? We're still doing money because money's funnier. Actually, I should probably make this 1 pixel. You're redesigning the 10 coin? Yeah, I'm putting money across it. You can't. Let's try 2 pixel wide, how about that? Already redesigned every single other asset that I've redesigned so far, so... I need to figure out how to write. Couldn't I just use the $sign? Yeah, but money's funnier. But if writing money across something is just funnier. Money, money. See, this guy gets it. Money. I guess I should just center it when I finish writing it. Going to money. Acrophobia. May you, by chance, have a fear of heights? That is a good question. Live. Are you reading chat? I just realized I'm using a mobile device. I'm using an old tablet that I have. I just have Studio pulled up in desktop window. I'm just reading chat through there. I only have one monitor in the Abyssal. He has stream elements. I'm not using any stream elements. I'm just using YouTube Studio. Listen, we make things cheap up in here, because I ain't got no money. Unlike this guy, who has money. Or whoever gets this coin, I guess. Money. This is indeed money. I'm so glad I took like my set, like your setup with multiple desktops that have full screen applications. Yeah, it's really nice to use. And I can always just go over here, boot terminal, boom, or reboot, but let's not do that because I'm streaming. Also, if you're not in my Discord, join it because I might make a guild. I posted a poll in there today. I'll actually pull it up real quick. That's not it. That's it. Go listen to this guy's music. I'll listen to it later. But vote here. I might make it a guild. And also, if you want, also forces me to make put games. So if we do it, give me games that you want in here. I have a very extensive list. So go do it now, I guess. We're the tried and true sudo rm-rf/ such a classic. It is indeed a classic. Very fun. 60 plus members? Yeah, we're growing, but part of that is from the game jam. Oh, 12 members. I thought that said booze. Oh, it's deleted. Is it? I can... Let's see. What does this guy want to say? Google Translate. And how do I find the current result of voting on a topic? You can go to the section that has voting. Let's click the link there. See, I'm such a good game jam host. I reply to people even though I don't speak their language. Yeah, but we have 35 people here. No, it's not green. I'm dumb. That blue. Can't find the page. Itch, please. Please. Please, I don't want to confuse this poor man. No. Here. Here. Control A, V. There. I've saved this man confusion. Alright, so what else do I need to do right now? I already did that. I can knock that off the list. I'll do Tide Leaves next. Who's... Oh, I thought that was a real person next to me. I don't know any Russian. 13 hours till game jam starts. Yep. And then you'll have 72 hours to make a game. And then y'all will vote on each other's games and it will be wonderful. It's my first game jam, so I don't know how I'll do. Just do your best. Just learn as much as you can. Yeah, we're gonna just Tide Leaves. What if I just... Hold up. When did I make leaves? I forgot. It was... Then... Okay, that's a bit big. A little click click and a little type 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 and boom, game. I think it's a bit more than a little, but yeah, pretty accurate. I'll use like Turbo Warp or Penguin Mod. Use whatever you want as long as I can play it without like having to download like a client or anything. Like for example Roblox. Convert the file to HTML, that's a good plan. Scratch is where my username comes from. My username comes from me messing around on the Xbox app and going, haha, this should be funny. And now it's my username. Because you can set your location, and I set my... But it doesn't regulate what location, so you can set it to literally anything. And I was like, haha, this should be fun. I set it to the Abyss. And here we are. Now that's some Tide Leaves if I've ever seen any. I tried to spell Absol like the Pokemon, but I was sick, so I'm stuck with Aspole. My brain just immediately goes to ass. I shouldn't say that on stream. That's gonna get taken out of context so hard. Nunya is an actual place in Nigeria, I think? Could be. I don't know. I've never been to Nigeria. Oh no, it's not, like, there. Let's try again. You know what? That's Tide Levy enough. Let's do some coloring. You know what? I've come to find that the higher resolution you go, the harder the art gets. Which I've basically accepted, but I don't like accepting it. Be right back, I need to go piss. I won't mute because I'm gonna forget when I come back. Hopefully not, but you never know. I'm back. Dude, music programs and plugins are ginormous in file size. Dude, I have LMS, which is what I use. I think I've mentioned that some stream ago, but I downloaded I was gonna make like metal music. That's what I listen to outside of streams. If you would like, I downloaded a metal plugin. It was an entire gigabyte. I never knew they went that far, and it doesn't even work. Like, I can open it real quick. Like, there's nothing here. Unless I'm just being dumb, but I mean, it's not here. My GD project has 1.5k views. What good for you? Happy for you. I'm not exactly sure what exactly Tide Leaves would look like. It was just a hypothetical scenario I made with art. What is... Oh boy, 1 gigabyte is nothing compared to contact libraries. I don't want to know how much that is. Oh cool, we're running at a mere 8.6. Oh Mayo, I've heard of some being 500 gigabyte to a terabyte. For like a trumpet? What? Just at that point, buy a trumpet. Mostly because I posted it in Griff Patch's studio. Makes sense. It's there. The server did not like that. Like, recording it live would sound better anyway, because MIDI brass instruments are kind of hard to make sound good. Yeah, I don't have any brass instruments, but I do have a ukulele I used to play a bit. But I realized I probably should try and find. I'm not musically talented, I'll just say that. Like, this music, hold on. This music is probably the best music I've ever made, or some of it. This is way better. I like this way better. That's why I have that muted. And also because I've heard the song from my game like 50 billion times. And they've just gotten old for me, so. I like it. I think it's good for what it is, but it could definitely be done better. I'm just not a musician. Yeah, it has a cool vibe. I think it should probably... The reason I made it in the first place was... It has a cool vibe for a survival type game. I've only done one game jam and I only did music for it. If you do my game jam, I mean I advertise it as beginners friendly, and I think I stick to that. I think it's a beginners friendly jam. But we got 3rd place in the art and sound category, so I'm glad. My art and sound categories are separate, so it will affect your overall score, but I don't remember if it's all that much. I cannot confirm. We'll have to see in voting, because I don't remember. Also, about that, I'll be playing your games live. Every single one of them. So. If you submit to the jam, your game is going to be publicly broadcasted for everyone to see. That's gonna be a fun night. Will the theme be funny? I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know. You'll have to ask or a serious. It's gonna be serious theme. But if it gets voted as something from somebody who voted like an other, like every theme below run is submitted from someone. The first 4 are the ones that I made. Right now we're winning with gravity, so You guys want to see analytics? Because I think they're pretty interesting. So, the United States is the biggest, followed by the United Kingdom, India, Ireland, Russia, France, Canada, Hungary, Kazakhstan, Japan, Ireland, Germany, Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Argentina, Croatia, Lithuania, Spain, Uganda, I forgot it. Uganda? Yeah, and Egypt. Yeah, but the majority of y'all are from the United States of America. I think Flickr could lead to some cool ideas. I think a lot of these ideas are pretty interesting. Run can be interpreted as a running game. It could be interpreted as something chasing you and you need to run. Could be that you're supposed to make things run, you know? That's just off the top of my head, but Anarchy's in a close 16, and then where is Flickr? Flickr has 5 votes. Or you run the game? Crazy. You run the game, you win the game. Like a meta thing. Nope, that's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Because if you didn't know, if you look very closely at the leaf sprite, it's basically entirely dithered. Which is what I want to replicate here. Why did I entirely dither it? I don't know. I just felt like it. And it's my art. I really like watching the votes on the Game Jam themes. It's really interesting watching it go for, like, run for president. I'm not old enough. What if by the time the jam starts, it's a tie between Run, Gravity, or Anarchy? And then random number generator generates a number between 1 and 2. Or 3, if that's possible. Because if I do a rematch, it's gonna take too long. Did I already download this? I already forgot. I don't don't think I did, but maybe I did. I don't remember. Okay, no I didn't. Okay. I don't have dementia. That's that looks like a banana, but it's actually a canine tooth. We'll make it look more like one by redoing that, because that's ass. Nope. Okay. Focus. Nope. Nope. Honestly, I'm not mad about that. What if... Okay, I have an idea. That's not my idea. That's my idea. You take that. Forgot a piece. There we go. Nope. Out of here. Okay. Take this. Control C. New layer. Control V. Flip vertically. Both my parents are from a place without English and they immigrated to America and... I'm reading books in English more than the average person in school. That's good. I can't tell you the last time I read a book, so you're probably doing better than me. This looks extremely jagged. Actually, I could tell you the last time I read a book. It was a couple months ago. I had ESL from 1st grade to like 4th. I've seen kids at my school take ESL, but I never really knew them personally, so can't really say if it helped them, but I think it helped them because they can speak English now, which I'm pretty sure that's what ESL is supposed to do, so good on ESL. English as a second language, ESL. I thought that stood for something else. That was like English speaking something, I don't fucking know. Are you thinking of ASL? No, that's American Sign Language. What does ESL stand for? Oh. Well then. I guess I'm just dumb. I guess that makes sense. It just seems like a really short thing. I don't know, acronyms look similar, so they might mix up, yeah. I'm gonna make it bloody. This is not a children's game, so I can do this. I can just say, actually, the Mario TOS, which I can pull up here. In order to use the service, you must be at least 18 years old by agreeing to the terms you represent and warrant that you meet the minimum age to use the service. By clicking Enter World, you agree to our terms and policy. So you have to be 18 to play this game. Am I going to enforce it? No, because that's dumb. If people are disturbed, though, I can just point to that and say, it's your fault. Who decided to join the game? Because it wasn't me. Plus the stupid wolves deserved it anyways, because they're so rude. Let's see here. Where's the wolf tooth? Canine tooth, whatever. Just gonna blink. E pick up. What am I picking up? What was there? What's there? E. It's probably my fists or something. I don't know. That's a bug I need to fix, but what do you think I put of what I put in the show off channel? Is there, oh, you put something new? Oh, no. J. Don't know his real username because streamer mode's on. I'm sure it's lovely though. Actually really fucking good. Was that a drop? I don't know. Was it at the start? Probably. I don't know. We still have all this bullshit to do. I made the beginning sound bad, so it's like a fake out. Yeah, the beginning was eh. Which, now that you say that, you did a good job at making it sound bad. literally clicked randomly and tried to reverse things and spam snares and stuff. And you know what? You did a good job at that. FL Studio. I would like FL Studio. I think they have a Linux port. I don't remember, but I'm too broke. Yeah, I am too. Oh. Wait. I think I know how you got FL Studio now. It's okay, I'll keep it a secret. ASIO audio drivers don't have Linux compatibility as far as I know. Let's see. FL Studio Linux. Oh, you can do it with Wine. Oh, wait. Wait. There's a snap, which... Save. I mean, it is here. When was this updated? January this year. I don't feel like downloading Snap, so we're not gonna do that. But yeah, you can do that, apparently. Allegedly. Would I trust that? I don't know. I mean... it doesn't seem like it's bad, so... this seems pretty... Did I use LMMS for the Livia music? Yeah, I did. Would I say it's the best music program out there? No. Do I still like it? Yeah. I was just getting into like a music kick whenever I made the music. And I was like, oh hell yeah, let's just make music for this game. And I was like, okay. Yeah. And I did it. And now it's there. In the game. Now. I will say making music is fun, but I don't often like the result I get from making music, so I don't make it often. I don't know if my ARG start is too hard to start it. Try getting someone you know, or maybe ask like some people on like Reddit group websites that, or just ARG communities that want to solve ARGs or something like that. I don't really know. I've never really looked into it, but I'm sure there's communities online that you could go to and try and get people to test out your ARG, kinda. literally put the answer to the start in the subtitles of the trailer video. I mean, I've never personally done an ARG, but I've seen people put things in subtitles, and I don't really think it's that difficult, considering if it's an ARG, you're trying to crack it, right? Whenever you're trying to crack something, at least what I found with hacking, is that it's super easily, like I could go into the website right now, reload the page, I can see everything coming and going. I can click on one, see if there's any cookies, response. Oh cool, it's using my asset, it downloaded my asset. That is your asset. Like, this is like every asset in the game. I can just yoink. I love the part where I changed the wallpaper from opening a file. It sounds cool. I've never done it, but yeah, I found cookies. Yeah. There's just a shit ton of things in here. Shit ton of funny things that I could use to probably hack into the website if I really wanted to. And this is like bare bones. Like, if I really wanted to, I could look at anything in the website that I would want to. And you know what? Please refresh to debug this module. Thank you for telling me. But yeah, basically anything's open source if you reverse engineer it. And so, when it comes to ARGs, when I've seen them, I personally have found them to be like, trying to think of the word. I don't know how to explain it, but it's probably... Does Linux have shortcuts to a file? Yeah. It's not really Linux, it's the desktop manager though. So like, I can open up my hyperland config here. Hyperland.com. This is my entire desktop, besides the top bar, but this is my entire desktop. These are all the shortcuts I have to everything. So whenever I do main mod, which main mod is super, which is Windows key, it opens my file manager, which I've set up here as Nautilus, which is what this is. It used to be Dolphin, but I changed it. And then if I run, say, main mod shift S, or what I think of AUR, I've used it a couple times and I found it useful, but I haven't found it super useful because I really don't use it for all that much. But yeah, main mod shift S just opens Steam, which, as you can see, I'm a bit poor, but that's besides the point. I can just open anything from here and I can add to this whenever I want. I can also... Oh, Steam Web Helper's not responding. Oh, the tragedy. But I can also just transition from You see my mouse transitioning. I'm doing that with keyboard inputs. I'm holding super and I'm pressing the arrow keys. Very customizable OS. I mean, Linux is, yeah. Especially if you get, I really want to install Arch on my main PC. Why can't you? What's stopping you? I bet there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way when it comes to Linux. Let me tell you that. I don't know a single person that has Linux from scratch, though. I don't have any backup drives, but software I use don't work well. Oh. But yeah, Linux from scratch. Want a dual boot on an external SSD? I want to try downloading Linux from scratch as a joke on a separate disk, because I think it'd be funny. That's my only reason, but I can't do it on this laptop, because this laptop's basically done for if I do anything to it, because the entire hinge is like dead. External. You should do it in VM. I could do that. I kind of forgot about that. I was working on a Lego animation in Blender and I can't render it because I don't have a good enough processor. If I were to upgrade my computer, I have an idea for a desktop. For some reason I find Arch harder to install on a VM compared to normally. I found it the complete opposite for me. I remember every time I jumped into the Arch ISO, I would just every time get immediately met with Mario Bading. And I asked on Reddit, hey, is this normal? And they were like, yeah. Let me... Arch? What? Okay. Okay. Arch Linux. Budding. Arch ISO. Arch Linux ISO. Sound. What does Arch Linux sound like? Maybe this will have it. No, but that is kind of cool. Let's see. Can I find... Your YouTube homepage is goated. Why has no one documented this? Maybe it's the April Fool's sound. This guy is using Harmor and FL Studio. I did not get that screen. I got something way different. Maybe? Let's try.
Hey everyone, welcome back to installation.
My here, and the one I'm looking for is the first one.
When do you go into the ISO? This is not your fucking ISO. What the hell?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again.
Maybe it's not the
This
point of the
is a-
video. Search it in your browser. I could try that, yeah. Yeah, beep. Large beep noise. Beep is made by Grub. I use systemd boot. I think that's what it's called for my boot. I just have it not configured, but how often do I Pac-Man SYU? Normally weekly. A little more than weekly. Something like that. I think I did it like a day or two ago. Dude, that happened to my last Windows laptop. The beeping and startup. It was more like a ba-ding. It's like a Lord Mario ba-ding. Mario coin sound. It's probably not exactly what it sounded like, but probably something close. No, that's actually exactly what it sounded like. Bro really said money bag. This is exactly what it sounded like, but at like 140 decibels. What the fuck is this? This is crazy. You guys accept Freak Pay? The screen also stopped working for it. I have this video downloaded on my phone. Brother, may I have some oats? But yeah, I think those look like shit. I'm probably not gonna add that. Still laggy W. And now my rotating joystick broke. Yeah, like 10 physical FPS right now. It's for the same pig I showed you for the referensive image in Live.io. I found that video on my Snapchat thingy because I just click on it and move on with my life because I hate the dot. It's so goddamn annoying. I cannot stand anything having like a dot next to it. I have to get rid of it, or else it's just going to annoy me forever and ever and ever. So I watched the video, and then that's what I found. I think he's punching me. No. That's what you get for murdering me. You get smited. The first time I've ever used that on someone. My Pac-Man SYU is estimating 3 hours to finish updating? God damn. When was the last time you updated? Oh my god, the physics here. What's going on? 6 FPS, 7. 4 days ago. What is your internet like? God damn, what the hell? How? Definite skull emoji. Kilobytes per second-ish in both ways. That is garbage. How are you watching this? Only on my laptops and for some reason, and only sometimes. Okay, then that makes sense. My dream setup would be a flexi spot desk. Like, is kilobytes per second less than megabytes per second? Yeah. I'd have a pretty good computer, I'd say. If I were to have a laptop, I would have it a Surface Pro, because I really like the Surface Pros. But they also come with Windows, but you can also make it to where Linux on Surface low kbps, you just have straight bytes per second. Yeah. Linux kernel for Surface devices. Oh, they have Arch? Yeah, but I'd want a Surface. Yeah, if you're pulling bytes per second, then your computer is like underwater or in a Faraday cage or something. Yeah. My internet was pulling like... This is like 1 megabyte per second. 1.5 megabytes per second, something like that. Or you're running an Apple on an Apple II. Or your router is a potato. That too. That might help. Let's do a speed test on my phone because I'm not leaking my IP address. Any location data. Because, you know, I value my privacy sometimes. Let's see. See what download is on my phone. On my computer, it's like half of what it is. Let's see. We're already we passed 400. Sounds delicious. Router potato. Almost fell out my chair there. That's kind of funny. Let's see. Oh, we're at 5 megabytes per second. on my upload. And it's going straight down. Lovely. Oh, it's going back up. Oh, it went to 7.54. Fancy. Router potato? You can make fries out of that potato. Didn't think of that one, did you? So many goddamn memes saved on my phone. I'm gonna fill up like all my storage space just with memes. We chillin'. My upload is better than my download? Let me show you fiber internet real quick. You might watch this guy, you might not, but this guy has fiber internet. Nope, I think he posted it, yeah. His fiber internet, this is what his internet looks like. This is insane. If I had this internet, I would be unstoppable. $2K what? Yeah. $3K. It's crazy, dude. It's fiber internet? But yeah, I love living in a rural area. I do too. I don't know if we could have any other internet providers besides the one we have. Because then I got all the shitty Wi-Fi speeds all for myself. And don't you just love it? Bro's running off the NASA supercomputer. He's running off an Intel chip that's currently trying to oxidize or whatever it's trying to do. I forgot what they do. Do I use Ethernet? No, I use Wi-Fi. Which is probably why YouTube's been complaining about my my streaming experience. At some point, apparently I was sending like no data, which is lovely. That's at least a bit better. On my PC, yeah, my laptop, no. I wouldn't be able to use it on a PC. Like, even if I had an actual, like, PC, I wouldn't be able to do it, because there's no Ethernet in my house. We have Ethernet cables for the router, but we don't use it, because nobody has a desktop, so. I have ports for it in my router, I just don't have. I don't have ports anywhere in my house. For Ethernet, like it was not built with the house. To be fair, this house was built like 80s, 70s, 80s, something like that. So it's just I live on the other side of my house, so I would have to set up my PC in the living room. I would personally not want to do that because I prefer having privacy. I do not want to want people to watch what I am doing. Not because of what I'm doing is bad, but because if I want to share what I am doing, I will share it with you, but if I don't, I won't. my router's in the basement. My router is up through the wall. Through the wall right in front of me. Ethernet is just this landline though, isn't it? Yeah. Well, I mean, it basically repurposed landline. Can you really deny that? It is midnight. I'd love to play games on stream, but I don't know if my CPU could support that. Maybe it should try it. I guess my parents' room have a landline thing attached to the wall. Or look the same, is the same, does the same. Maybe I could try just playing some games. Maybe I should test it for a little bit of time I have left tonight. I'll play SimCity, why not? But I'm gonna play SimCity and pretend I know what I'm doing, and if it doesn't work, then the stream ends or something. I don't fucking know. If Steam will open, so. Oh. Oh, lovely. What's the Coke's cable outlet for? So, good question, I don't know. The Steam Web Helper. This happens so often. I have one in my room. Let's do a funny thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. Capital SYU. There we go. Just gonna go ahead and update. Is Steam in here? I don't remember. I don't know, but it might help. We're just gonna see if update. What is my opinion on VS Code? I think it's pretty good, but I think it could probably be better if there wasn't like, if it didn't use like Electron, because I feel like Electron, it's not the best thing to use for a code editor, and I feel like it makes it a bit extra bloated. I could be wrong, but I do still use it. I use VS Codium though, so I do and don't use it. So are we gonna open? Or are we just gonna break down and start crying? I think it's gonna break down and start crying. I think it's crying somewhere. Kind of sick of everything being electronic chromium, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. I don't like that we're just basing everything off of one technology. Just, like, just get creative. Make your own technologies. Yeah, Steam is like crying right now in the corner. That's exactly what it's doing. How many Steam even? Oh, stream is broken. Hmm. Let's try and figure this out. Remove. Yes. We go screen capture. Okay. Do you use Chrome then, or do you also not like that? You can use Chrome on Linux. I'm using Firefox right now, though. Yeah, I think it's just gonna start complaining to me, so. I mean more like Discord and stuff? Yeah, that does make sense. Oh, cool. Let's fucking go. Let's try restarting it. Someone's playing my game? Who is this, I demand to know? Drand4. No one knows. He's anonymous. I got Chromium on my school MacBook before. I'm pretty much using Firefox, mainly because I feel like it's one of the more customizable browsers, and I really value customization. Let's try this one, because the extensions have developer mode. Yeah, accessible. At my school, we just have shitty Chromebooks that use Pentium processors from like 8th gen, and they're like $200, like the laptop in its entirety. So I got a VPN. Yeah, I think Steam's just gonna be a little bitch baby about this. I wish I could port forward my server so I could just watch Breaking Bad at school. Just have it like streaming 24/7. But I have to use a VPN, yeah. I mean, technically you're not supposed to watch Breaking Bad at school, but no one listens to that rule, let's be honest. Because who cares? For iPad, for the iPad this year, you have 2 chances for breaking the iPad, but third time and forward you have to pay for it. I don't like the Chromebooks at my school because they're low power. As I said before, they're low powered. I love the implication that there's an explicit no Breaking Bad at school rule and not just like no TV shows Breaking Bad specifically. No Breaking Bad for you. Breaking Bad makes you bad at school. Makes you break the bad rules. Because they don't know how to fucking do discipline. I'm just chilling, man. September is starting my final year at public school. Yippee! I am terrified. Everyone watched 1, 2, 3 movies in study hall. We just played games in study hall. You guys get a study hall as a class? I don't get it as a class. It just happens at times. The school's so small, I don't even know what study hall is. Study hall is basically where you just work on work. Or at least that's what mine is. It's basically a free period, yeah. They don't want you to play games, but people play games anyway, because why not? We don't have we don't have exams here. It's crazy. But you're supposed to finish your schoolwork, yeah. Why do you not have exams? For school being that small. Bro, looks good. Thank you, Ned. I'm just chilling right now. Try 2.5.5, lots of improvements there. Is it? Let's see. What's different? Custom culling? I have no clue what that is. Probably important though. Incorrect data. I think I already changed it, I just don't... I might have? Nope, I didn't. Okay. Nope, no one's in the game. He left. We'll try it. We'll see. Let's see. It's 3.0. This is one. think 2.5.5 has jitter reduction for other players' movement. We would not be able to confirm that because I am the only one on the server, but it's a great sign. What FPS are we running on? Let's see. Lucky number 20. So I should probably turn it up then. A bunch of rendering and performance improvements, especially for projectile heavy games. Pistol, have you already gone through G12? And if you have, do you have any tips? I have not. We're gonna try upping the physics frame rate because it seems like it's still... Well... I don't know if the servers can handle it. I'll keep it at 20. I think it was just the initial lag or something. Let's see. Reload audios when they join the game. I think. If I could RAM, I would random access memory. So, wait, if I had the audios are preloaded. Wait. Confused, what? Oh, okay. So we're getting the audio already. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. How do you feel about Livio being higher rated than Doomer on a game website? I feel great about that. To be fair, Doomer is also still on the front page while you have to click one button and it's in a really annoying place. But 3.7, 4.0, I think I'm doing something great. I'm hoping at some point to get it on Crazy Games. And then I'll be able to compete with Doomer on there. Which I think will be fun. We'll see. Doomer is a... I'll just do it here, because I don't think it's on the front page at all anymore. But yeah, Doomer has gotten some traction. Which I think is fun. Your mode's happy about the extra traction that Doomer's gotten from Crazy Games. I bet you people are playing Doomer right now, actually. See, yep, 2 people are playing Doomer right now. So, we're doing great. Fight Simulator has not changed. This number has not changed from earlier today, if I remember correctly, but I could be remembering wrong, so. This game has been on the front page for forever. This game too. This is a simulator, been on front page for forever. This game is not being remade because it was updated a month ago. This game sometimes on the front page, most of the time. Sometimes, I don't know. Probably gonna end stream though, because I'm getting a little tired. And also need to sleep at some point, which is pretty healthy for you. That's last time I checked. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. If you enjoyed the stream and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're not in my Discord server, check the description and go join. Because we're doing some fun stuff over there. We might make a guild at some point, because I think that'd be funny. So, go join. Alright everyone, I'll see you